Hi, I'm Nick Jensen, owner of NV Property Management. When it comes to managing rental homes, we know how important it is to solve problems quickly and the right way. Whether it's a leaky faucet or something more serious, we're here to make sure everything gets taken care of smoothly. In this video, I'll walk you through how we handle maintenance requests and show you the system we use to keep our properties in great shape. At NV Property Management, we know that a well-maintained home leads to quicker rentals, fewer changes in occupancy, and a better overall experience. Did you know that unresolved maintenance issues are the #1 reason tenants cite for not renewing a lease? That's why we've built a simple, efficient process to handle maintenance. If there's ever an issue, tenants can submit a request through our online portal. It's super easy and just a few clicks away. If it's an emergency, tenants can call our emergency line, which is monitored 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Once we get the request, our team jumps into action. We assess the situation and troubleshoot any issues that tenants can resolve themselves. Remaining issues, we coordinate any needed repairs with our trusted and approved vendors. Our vendors have earned a solid reputation for quality work and 5-star service, and they help us make sure every job gets done right. Every vendor is a licensed and insured contractor prepared with the right tools and materials to complete the job efficiently and professionally. Their friendly, reliable approach means every service call is handled with attention to detail and satisfaction is always guaranteed. This system gives us real peace of mind. You get quality repairs at fair prices, clear and accurate billing, and 24/7 protection for your investment. Most importantly, it helps create a smooth and positive experience for everyone living in the home or relying on the property. At NV Property Management, we're proud to provide a maintenance process you can count on, powered by trusted service providers and designed to keep every property in top condition. If we can help you with your property management needs, feel free to fill out the form on the right side of this video or call us at 801-337-4337. Thanks for watching and have a great day.